And welcome back to day 9 of our 30-day Python series. I'm Umeya Asma, and in today's session we will explore some powerful built-in functions that help us work with IEEE's efficient. All right. So this might include your len function, sorted function, reverse function, enumerate, zip, all, and any. Let's get started. So first, let us understand what is built-in function. So Python comes with a rich set of built-in functions that help us perform various tasks without needing extra code. These functions are already available, so we can use them anytime. All right. So here in today's video, that is built-in functions part 3, we are going to understand sequence and collection functions. So here we have a 4 functions. Len function returns the length of an object. Sorted functions, it returns a sorted list. Reverse function returns an iterated that reverses a sequence. All right. Enumerate function adds an index to an iterable. So let's dive into our Jupyter notebook and perform some operation on this function. So this is our Jupyter notebook. Here let's perform our first function called len function. Enter. Now I'm declaring a variable name called name. Name equals, I'm writing a word called Python. Now I will print len function name, len of variable name here. Okay, because we have stored the value in the variable name called Python. So here we got it. So here let us count it. Yeah, here see, this is your 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4, this is 5, and this is 6. So we have a total letters in Python is 6. All right. Now let's move on to our next function, that is your sorted functions. Hashtag sorted function. Enter. Here we are going to declare a variable called numbers, or else we can declare some other function, a variable name, like we can give it a y as well, y equals, and I'll keep some numbers here, 3 comma 5 comma 6 comma 7 comma 0 comma 3 9. All right. So these are the numbers I have given. So now I'll print it. Print sorted. We are going to give a function name here. Sorted of function y. Enter. So here we go. By default, the sorted function sorts numbers in ascending order. Okay, from smaller to big. But when we want to set, uh, if we want to get a numbers from in a descending order, okay, but we set a reverse is equal to true, it sorts in descending order. Okay. Yeah. Now let us look at the reverse function here. Reversed function. Enter. So this reverse function gives us an iterator that reverses the elements of a sequence. All right. So now here I am declaring a variable name called word. Word is equal to Python. Enter. Now I'll print here. Print list of reversed and the variable name I'm giving it here. Okay. Here we go. Yeah, 3 brackets we have to close it here. This 1 to 3. All right. So 3 brackets. Yes, so we can convert the reversed iterator into a list to see the reversed sequence. So from here last NOHDYP. So now let's understand enumerate function. Hashtag enumerate function. Enter. Here I'm declaring a variable name as fruits equals in the list apple, apple, comma, banana, comma, cherry. All right. See, this enumerate function helps us add an index starting from 1 to our fruit list. Okay. Here, I'll be declaring, like, I'll give a for loop for index, comma, fruit in enumerate fruits, comma, start equals 1. And let us close, and I'll close the colon here. Then uh, enter. Now we'll give it a print index, comma, f fruit, fruit, fruit. So here, see here, we have just declared a variable name called fruits, and I created a list. Okay, that is apple, banana, and cherry. Now I'm giving a for index. So instead of index, you can give it as I as well. Okay, for index, fruit in numerate. So I'm using a value here. Okay, so this is your fruit is a variable. Okay, and I'm creating a new variable called index in enumerate. Fruits, it should start from 1. Okay, now here I'm printing it index comma fruit. Let's look at the output. So here we go. We got it in the index format. 1 is apple, 2 is banana, 3 is cherry. Okay. So this enumerate function helps us add an index starting from 1 to our fruit list. Next, let's look at a zip function. Zip function. Enter. So this zip function pairs elements from multiple iterables together. I'm declaring a variable name as names equals Alex, comma, Bob, comma, Charlie. Okay, let me close it here. Now here we have a ages equals the age is 25, comma, 30, comma, 35. All right. Now, well, now I'm using a for loop again. So here for names, name, comma, age in zip. I'm using a zip function. Zip names, comma, age, colon, print, name, comma, is, comma, age, comma, years, years old. So here see each name is paired with the corresponding age, making it useful for combining the related data. So here we go. See, we got an output that is the variable name which you declared. The same variable name you have to give it here. Okay, the output it says Alice is 25 years old, Bob is 30 years old, Charlie is 35 years old. So this is your zip function. Now let's understand the all function. All function, enter. This all function checks if all elements in an iterable are true. If one element is false, it will give 0. If all elements are or 0, here we print all true, comma, true, comma, true. Okay. Now let us run. Closing one parameter. No, Chana Sangha does not match. Yes, so here we got true here. Okay. Now, if we give a true, false, true, let's see what is the output here. Friend, all, true, comma, false, false, comma, true. Here we got a false here. Okay. If one element is false, we return as a false. If all the elements are true, we get a true here. Okay. Now let's perform an any function. Hashtag any. So this any function checks if at least one element in an iterable is true. Here we give it friend any, open a bracket, round bracket, square bracket. Next we give it a false, comma, false, comma, true. Okay. Now here we go. Let's see here. Where is the error? First we have to give it. Now run. We got it. So the any function checks if at least one element in an iterable is true. So you get an answer as true here. So unlike all any returns true as soon as it finds at least one true value. So that's it for today's lesson. We learned how to find the length of an object, sort and reverse data, assign indices, combine attributes, and check conditional using all and any. So these functions are extremely useful for data manipulation in Python. So you guys don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Hit the notification bell for more daily Python lessons. So see you tomorrow for day 10 of our 30-day Python series. Until then, happy coding. Bye bye. Take care.